Hi, welcome to Best Gadget. In this video we will unbox and test AVANTEK wireless doorbell. Simple setup, just plug the mini receiver into a socket and fix the transmitter on a wall with the accessories provided. Includes 2 screws, 2 anchors, a key and a piece of double-sided bonding tape. 300 meters and 1000 feet ultra-long wireless range, 1 plug-in receiver included. Will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors. Ensures you will never miss a visitor, even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor. 52 chimes to choose from. Stereo speaker delivers rich and crisp sound. 5 adjustable volume levels with a maximum setting of 115 decibels. Press next or previous button to easily choose from 52 melodies. High performance transmitter, ultra low power consumption. Uses a CR2032 lithium battery that boasts 3-year maximum lifespan, IP55 dustproof and waterproof rating. Works between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, withstands various harsh weather conditions. Memory function. Remembers your last melody and volume level after a power outage. No need to reset to your previous settings. Convenient and easy to use, designed for an enhanced user experience.